Hi friends, today's topic is how to achieve that extra 10%, last 10%. It is not out of fancy. You are under pressure to achieve this remaining 100% for the authority over the team or for getting a difficult task executed. Answer is asserting your managerial powers. Don't misunderstand it as this assertion as an aggression. It's only assertion. I have come across several friends lamenting that there is not enough authority vested with the managers nowadays. I differ. Examples are Srimati Kiran Bedi, Sri T.N. Seshan and Sri E. Sridharan. They have excelled in their respective fields within the constraints which are all there for everybody. Surely this involves a little friction and displeasure. If you are afraid of this friction or displeasure, then you may not be able to come out as a successful overseer, supervisor, manager or executive. There is a school of thought which advocates a little friction in the workplace. They say work can be executed through the subordinates only if there is a little friction. The example is the friction between the tire and the road surface makes the vehicle move. Imagine a slippery surface. Vehicle will only skid, it will not move to the desired direction. Therefore, the friction is an integral part of supervisory management and has to be practiced to some extent to become successful as a supervisor or as a manager or executive. Our forefathers have codified the techniques of getting the work done into 4. Sama, Dana, Bheda, Danda. Sama meaning treating them as friends, equivalents, and getting the work done through good words and pleasing. It's a most popular method and preferably maybe the best method since there is no friction or tensions. However, this may not work in all the situations. Then comes Dana. Dana denotes giving something, some financial benefit. Benefit can be by way of overtime wages or production incentives or promotion. The problem with this model is the attraction will go on reducing every time. The law of diminishing returns will start working. And after a time, this will cease to be a motivating factor, or if you go on increasing the monetary benefits, it will become a burden on the organization. In both ways, it will lose its effectiveness in the long run. But for a short term, it's a good option. Third comes Bheda. Bheda or Bhedya. Simple meaning is torture. Physical torture. Assaulting, manhandling. Friends, this is not an option available to a civilized society. This codification had taken place centuries ago. during which time this would have been available to the supervisors. It's not available in the current civilized society, in a democratic society where the rule of law prevails. Fourth is danda. Danda or dandana indicates inflicting mental agony, feelings. I have in an earlier edition stated that people work for happiness. Denying happiness is a useful weapon in the hands of superiors. This can be simply ignoring or neglecting to the other extreme, scolding, admonishing in the presence of other people. Thereby, you deny the happiness in the workplace to a rebellious employee, disobeying employee, and bring him around to comply with your requirements. This is a very much available option, and most of the successful executives would have exercised this option once or many occasions in their career. However, a word of caution. This requires a level of expertise and skill. If you don't do it skillfully, this can boomerang and land you in a deeper mess, more trouble. Therefore, exercise this option sparingly where it is unavoidable and with enough planning and perfection. Friends, we have talked about various options. One of leadership by example, passive supervision, and active asserting management style. All these will not apply in all situations. Even one style may not answer to all situations or for all people. For the very same person, one style may not bring result at all the times. Therefore, the requirement challenge of using the appropriate technique or combination of techniques to get the maximum results. Thus, there is a requirement for emerging executives to understand all these models and to develop a reasonable level of skill in all, so that they will come out successful and grow up in the ladder to the top. Thank you. Bye.